Hello, all of you are very welcome in this channel. If you are watching the video on my channel for the first time, then please share the video, like it, and also subscribe to my channel so that every video of this channel, the first thing you can get is information and you can benefit by watching that video. Let's start. Healthcare. These benefits of lemon will surprise you. Lemon is not used only in food and drink. There are also some tips that you can try and get rid of many health and beauty problems. Come, know 10 amazing home remedies for lemon. Obesity is cured by drinking lemon juice in pure honey. Dryness of the disease is cured by taking lemon. Taking lemon juice and honey one by one relieves asthma. Migraine is cured by grinding lemon peel on the forehead. Sprinkle ground black pepper in lemon and warm it a little, it provides relief in malarial fever. Taking salt mixed with lemon juice improves skin color and enhances beauty. Applying ground saline to lemon juice cures ringworm. Grind lemon seeds and apply on the forehead to remove baldness. If there is deafness, add cinnamon oil to the lemon juice. Drink lemon juice in half a cup of carrot juice, blood loss will be away. You all should be healthy and share this information with all your people so that they can also get benefit. Thank you.